Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Bitmoji's gender on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. First, open up your Snapchat. Then click onto your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. It will lead you to the profile page. After that, click onto the setting gear at the top right corner of your screen. Another interference will open, then you have to scroll down a bit till you see Bitmoji. Tap on Bitmoji. Then you'll see various options, but you have to choose Unlink My Bitmoji. A pop-up icon will appear asking you to confirm to remove the Bitmoji. After you have removed your Bitmoji, you will be now able to create a new Bitmoji. Now click on Create Avatar. Then it will lead you to another interference where you will be able to choose your gender. If you are a female, click on female. If you are male, tap on male. After that, you can customize your Bitmoji however you want. In 2024's update, we don't have a direct way to change our gender. We have to change Bitmoji's gender. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.